All right, so you can see an irregular shape canvas, and it's made with solid wood. You can see the wood pattern, and in this wood, just I'm going to merge a painting with any irregular shape canvases. So you can see that there are some clouds in the sky. Now I'm going to paint the Eiffel Tower within this canvas. So starting from the top, let's do the symbolic presentations. Okay, so I'm just drawing a straight line up here, then I'm putting these two like this. All right, and it's coming up a little bit to the downward. Okay, again I'm taking the color and drawing one thing like this. It's the separation point for each story as it becomes a skyscraper. Okay, and I'm just putting it downward. Okay, you can see the progressions of the drawing. As you know, it's a painting, so maybe the thickness varies within the drawings. All right, so I can see the taller parts on the top. Now I'm going to paint another intersections here, which is horizontal. Okay, then drawing like this. All right, in this point we are going to separate the top portion into two different sections. Like I'm putting one, it's like the opposite of alphabetic letter V. Okay, so the first one is done, then just merging the whole frame. Okay, and another one. All right, then again we are drawing another frame here. Just merging the frame again. Mhm. So it's the top portion. All right, little bit we're going to put here. Okay, all right, another one I'm just putting here, coming to the ground. Awesome, and there's a shape like the arch. Okay, so the combinations for the, the Eiffel Tower shape, it's almost done. All right, now for the trees, just it's like the autumn season, so putting, it's a colorful nature. Mhm. With yellow. Okay, the nature in yellow you can see here. Okay, putting a little bit upward curve like shape. Okay. All right. And I'm putting a sun on the top over the clouds. It's going to be a round shape. Okay, the yellow sun. All right, putting few yellows here. And few color combinations like the orange color I'm putting in the next step, so you can see the color combinations here. The next level color. Okay, the orange. All right, so the trees and the other formations, you can see the natural scenery is getting visually good at the bottom of the Eiffel Tower. Okay, now only a little bit green we are going to put here, then the the greeneries is going to be perfect. Let's put some green in some spaces. Okay, all right, some greeneries. All right, now just putting little bit white to emphasize the variations and making the drawing looking nice. Okay, all right, and few white parts for the clouds formations, as you can see I'm putting on top to make it little bit much clearer. Mhm. Okay, and few here. Okay, just merging with the nature. right, and also doing this one. So you can see the clouds, those are easily coming up to us, is very nice formations and looks like very real. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the scenery. This is all about the drawing and the painting. Only we're going to uh, make it like little bit blurred here, just putting a hard strokes. Okay, using separate pencils, separate brush. And then the drawing is finished. All right. Okay. Okay, this is just putting the colors in a more dynamic way to show the my skills. So this is it, and you can see the Eiffel Tower painting. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.